Good day viewers, let's talk about how to calculate your net worth and why it matters today. Calculating your net worth is a fundamental aspect of personal finance that provides valuable insights into your overall financial health and progress toward achieving your financial goals. Net worth represents the difference between your assets, what you own, and your liabilities, what you owe. Here's a guide on how to calculate your net worth and why it matters. 1. Calculate your assets. A. Liquid assets. Start by listing all your liquid assets including cash, checking and savings accounts, money market accounts, and certificates of deposit, CDs. B. Investments. Include the value of your investment accounts, such as retirement accounts, 401k, IRA, brokerage accounts, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and any other investment vehicles. C. Personal property. Include the value of personal property such as vehicles, jewelry, artwork, collectibles, electronics, furniture, and other assets of significant value. 2. Calculate your liabilities. A. Debts. List all your outstanding debts including mortgage loans, auto loans, student loans, personal loans, credit card balances, and any other liabilities. 3. Calculate your net worth. Net worth equals total assets, total liabilities. 4. Why net worth matters. A. Measure of financial health. Your net worth serves as a measure of your overall financial health and provides insights into your financial position. It reflects your wealth accumulation over time and can help you assess progress towards your financial goals. B. Financial goal setting. Understanding your net worth can help you set realistic financial goals and track your progress toward achieving them. Whether your goal is to build wealth, pay off debt, save for retirement, or buy a home, knowing your net worth provides a baseline for measuring success. C. Wealth building strategy. Your net worth can inform your wealth building strategy by highlighting areas for improvement or optimization. For example, if your net worth is negative due to high debt levels, you may prioritize debt reduction and savings to improve your financial position. 5. Improving your net worth. A. Increase assets. Focus on increasing your assets by saving more, investing wisely, and maximizing income-generating opportunities. Consider strategies such as budgeting, investing in appreciating assets, and seeking opportunities for additional income streams. B. Reduce liabilities. Take steps to reduce your liabilities by paying off debt, refinancing loans to lower interest rates, and avoiding unnecessary borrowing. Prioritize debt repayment strategies such as the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to accelerate progress. C. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your net worth and financial goals, and make adjustments as needed based on changes in your financial situation, life circumstances, and economic conditions. Stay disciplined and focused on long-term wealth building to achieve financial security and success. In conclusion, calculating your net worth provides valuable insights into your financial position, progress toward goals, and overall financial health. By understanding your net worth and taking proactive steps to improve it, you can build wealth, achieve financial security, and pursue your dreams with confidence.